John Jacobe from DefTech 6 plates, please proceed to mat number 1. Thank you.
Drag.
Deflect.
John Jacobe from DefTech 6 plates, please proceed to the weigh-in area.
Drag mo.
One.
Keep pushing, RJ. Keep pushing. Need the stamina. Galaw. Go for left underhook now. Shoot. Snap, when you pull, he will push back. That's the time you go in. Need the feint.
Jay, huwag ka nag-hesitate. Huwag ka nag-hesitate.
You're hesitating.
Huwag ka nag-hesitate. Yan. Relax ka lang. Relax ka lang, Jay. Relax ka lang.
RJ, first thing, posture mo yan.
Jay, tinitingnan mo lang yung sa paa. Wala nang problema. 2 points up ka na. 2 points up ka na. You still have 4 minutes. Relax ka lang. Magpapa-triangle.
Yes. Keep it postured like that.
John Jacobe
Disengage.
from DefTech 6 plates, please proceed to the weigh-in area. Again, calling on John Jacobe from DefTech 6 plates, please proceed to the weigh-in area. Thank you.
Jay, huwag ka mag-burn ng energy mo. Hayaan mo siya mag-open tapos mag-disengage ka. Jay, 5%.
5%. Get up.
5%. RJ, 5%. 5%. Hindi makaka-grip yan. Disengage.
Jay, huwag papatuyuin.
Hawak ka pa.
Shoot. Ayusin mo yung grip mo.
Yung underhook mo. Kuha.
Up, RJ.
Tayo.
Good. Go to the center and restart.
4-0, RJ. Relax. 4-0. 3 minutes. 4-0. Relax ka lang.
Jay, binibigyan niya ulit yung kamay niya.
Relax lang, Jay. Pagod na si Ide, oh. Pagod na si Ide. Wala sa kondisyon.
RJ, straight like that, you shoot.
Relax ka lang, Jay. Relax ka lang.
Jay, again, binibigyan niya yung kamay niya.
Yan. Drive.
Nice one.
Now we're gonna pass, RJ.
Oh. Yung paa, Jay.
Jay.
Ikot, atras.
Okay, go.
Pull it out.
From Overland Baguio City versus Carl Roy Danilo from Puerto Rico. Please proceed to the weigh-in area. Thank you. Please proceed to the weigh-in area. This is for the female white